all we're going to do in this video is slide these two hard drives into the case. As you can see, this smaller solid state hard drive has already been mounted on this 3.5 to 2.5 bay converter with these little screws on each side here, if you can see those. There they are. I've also put these mounting brackets on the side. It makes it very easy to just slide it in. So I'm just going to show you that real quick. So just go ahead and slide it right in there. Push it down till it clicks. And you're good to go. I'm also going to do that with this bigger hard drive, the non-solid state. Just push it in till it clicks.